In this video I'm going to show you how to install the dependencies required to run Wifite on Linux. So if you run Wifite without any of the stuff installed, you will get the dependency errors like these ones. Now for some people there's different apps, there might be one less. That's just if you already have it installed, because some of them are used for other programs. And also if you're installing Kali using an ISO and actually installing it onto your computer, not using a virtual machine, and you select the full install, likely you will get these pre-installed. But this is completely fresh. This is a VMware image, but I took a snapshot and it's right at the start, right before I've touched anything, so I haven't got anything installed that anyone would have. So to fix this, I've created a script which I've put in the description. It's actually just a sentence, it's not really a script, and if you just paste that into the command line and hit enter, it will do all the work for you in updating, installing dependencies to install dependencies, and everything that's required to get it up and running. So there we go. So that's finished installing everything. Now if we are to run sudo Wifite, bam, it would work if I had a Wi-Fi adapter plugged in, but as you can see there are no more errors requiring dependencies, so just plug in a Wi-Fi adapter and everything should be just fine. Thanks for watching.